Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following SAT writing question is asking for the best way to reword this beginning here of sentence 3. Let's go check it out. So, Watson urged and then warned parents to refrain from hugging or kissing their children, warning that such physical behavior will lead to weak and mawkish adults. All right, so something jumped out at me right away when I read this. Watson urged and then warned parents to refrain from hugging or kissing their children. It seems like Watson urged parents to refrain from hugging or kissing their children, and also that Watson warned parents to refrain from hugging or kissing their children. So this comma here that seems to be separating Watson urged from the clause and then warned parents is unnecessary. Maybe we don't want it there at all. Let's see if there's a better construction here that seems like a right answer. Okay, Watson urged and then warned parents to refrain from hugging or kissing their children. This looks good. We've taken out the comma. This actually looks great, but let's go see if we find something else. Watson, who gave warning to parents to refrain. What's strange is whenever you have anything in between two commas like this you can think of this as like a puzzle piece you can actually move around, like use or not use. So you basically go with from Watson to refrain, and that doesn't make sense grammatically anymore. Watson to refrain from hugging or kissing their children, warning that such. That's not correct grammar. So be careful with putting anything in between two parentheses. It's almost like it's a movable piece. You can move it out, and the sentence should still make sense. So we can get rid of answer choice C. Answer choice D says, Watson, comma, urging and warning parents, comma, to refrain from hugging or kissing. Oh, this would have been okay. The problem is, again, this is followed by to refrain. So Watson to refrain from hugging or kissing children, warning that such physical behavior. The issue here, and the reason why these aren't grammatical, is because you end up with Watson to refrain from hugging or kissing their children, warning. Neither of these, on both sides of the comma here, would be independent clauses. You would have two dependent clauses because to refrain isn't a conjugated verb. And we need at least a subject and a conjugated verb for a clause to be independent. So because these two provide us with two dependent clauses, no independent clause, Watson urged parents is the best answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.